Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with a product that's all about natural goodness and hair repair, not your mother's Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon Conditioner. This conditioner claims to help repair and prevent signs of damage while being packed with 98% naturally derived ingredients. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This conditioner is formulated with a mix of Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon, two powerhouse ingredients that aim to hydrate and nourish the hair. It's free from sulfates, silicones, parabens, phthalates, and dyes, which makes it a solid option for those looking for cleaner beauty choices. But how does it perform in the real world? Let's find out. I've had a chance to test this conditioner over the past couple of weeks, and I'll be honest, I was really curious to see how it stacked up. The first thing I noticed was its texture. It's creamy but not too thick, which makes it easy to spread through my hair. The scent is light and refreshing, with a slight floral sweetness that's not overwhelming. It doesn't linger for too long, which I actually appreciate, especially if you're layering other products. In terms of performance, this conditioner really delivers on the hydration front. After washing, my hair felt softer and smoother, and I noticed a bit of added shine, which is always a good sign. I also gave it a shot during a particularly dry spell of weather, and it held up well in terms of moisture retention. My hair didn't feel weighed down, but it did feel nourished and more manageable. However, let's talk about the texture when it's in your hair. I found that while it's easy to distribute through damp strands, I had to use a bit more product than I expected to get that soft, smooth feeling I was hoping for. I have medium to thick hair, so I'm used to conditioning products that offer a little more slip, but this one required a bit more effort to detangle. For finer hair, this might be a perfect match, but for thicker textures, you may want to use a generous amount. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: natural ingredients. I love that it's 98% naturally derived and free from harmful chemicals. This makes it a good choice for those with sensitive scalps or those who prefer clean beauty products. Hydrating. It left my hair feeling nourished and soft without weighing it down. Light scent. The scent is refreshing but subtle, so it's not overpowering. Good for dry hair. If your hair is looking a little dull or dry, this conditioner can help restore moisture and shine. Cons: requires a bit more product. For thicker hair, you might need to use a bit more than expected to get the desired results. Less slip. While it hydrates, it doesn't have the same level of slip as some other conditioners, so detangling could be a challenge for some hair types. Now, on to value for money. The price is pretty standard for a mid-range conditioner, especially one boasting natural ingredients. I'd say it's a fair value considering the high-quality components and the fact that it's sulfate-free and free from other harsh chemicals. If you're looking for a cleaner, natural option for everyday use, this conditioner could be worth the price tag. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few options out there. Products like Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner offer similar benefits for damaged hair and are often a bit more accessible in price. However, the Not Your Mother's formula stands out for its high percentage of natural ingredients, which might make it a better choice if you're prioritizing that aspect. As for build quality, the packaging is practical and straightforward. It's a squeeze bottle with a flip cap, which makes it easy to dispense just the right amount of product, even in the shower. The bottle is made of recyclable plastic, which adds a nice eco-friendly touch. In terms of longevity, I haven't experienced any issues with the product expiring too quickly. However, since it's free from preservatives like parabens, it's always a good idea to use it within a reasonable time frame once opened. As for customer support, I didn't have any direct interaction with the brand, but based on what I've seen, they're known for their approachable customer service and a straightforward return policy. To wrap things up, Not Your Mother's Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon Conditioner is a solid option if you're looking for a gentle, hydrating conditioner that's free from harmful chemicals. It's great for dry, damaged hair that needs some TLC, but may not be the best fit for those with thicker or more unruly hair types. If you don't mind using a little extra product, it's worth considering, especially if you're committed to using more natural beauty products. If this review has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews like this one. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest and in-depth product insights. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've tried this product, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experience with it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.